Good afternoon, sir. My name is Margareta Serigar. NPM 23-10072. Number 1. What is a computer? A computer is a tool used to process data according to a formulated procedure. The word computer was originally used to describe a person whose job is to perform arithmetic calculation with or without tools, but the meaning of this word was later transferred to the machine itself. Number 2. What are the components of inside computer? Mention and explain it. Yang pertama itu hardware. Hardware is hardware that is visible and has a physical form that can be touched. Hardware on the computer itself is still divided into four parts, namely input device, output device, processing device, and storage device. Software. The next computer of a computer system is software. In contrast to hardware, software is an invisible component. Software in a computer is an important component because it plays a role in carrying out all commands that enter the hardware. Software can also be interpreted as a collection of electronic data stored and managed by a computer. It can be a program or a connection to run various kind of instruction. Brainware. The last computer that covers a series a component of a computer system is brainware. Brainware is a person who runs or operates a computer. 3. What is application software? Give 5 examples of application software. Office management application. Office management application is one of the common applications that are often used on computers and Android. Office management applications are standard applications on computer to generate data either in the form of file or in the printed form. For example, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the like. Electronic mail are often abbreviated as email is one of the platforms used to send or open electronic mail. 3. Office management application. Office management application is one of the common applications that are often used on computers and Android. Office management applications are standard applications on a computer to generate data, either in the form of files or in printed form. For example, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the like. Electronic mail app are often abbreviated as email, is one of the platforms used to send or open electronic mail. The advantage of email itself is that it can send files in the form of files, be it in the form of documents, photo, or video. An example of a popular email platform is Gmail, Hotmail, and others. Social media apps. Surely you already know some of the social media that are currently often used by some people. Social media applications are also included in general application because they do not need special skills to be able to operate a social media application. In social media, a person can send a message in the form of status to everyone who has become a friend of, is subscribed to. Even on social media, its account can spread anything freely as long as it doesn't violate existing regulation. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Video player app. The application is a video player application. By using a video player application, all video formats can be played properly. In some application, there is also a video player application that can play a music file. The example to play video are media player, com player, VLC player, and others. Number 4. What is the meaning virus? Virus can be divided into three categories mentioned and explained. You could say a computer virus is a program or application that can reproduce or copy itself and spread by inserting itself into other programs and data. ROMs are categories of viruses that are not harmful but annoying. The reason is a computer infected with a ROM virus is left too long. The ROM will multiply itself and make space on the user's hard disk full. Memory resident. Ordinary will attract RAM computer infected with this virus usually experience a slowdown in the program when it is run. Companion virus is a virus that is quite difficult to track. This virus is quite annoying because it can change the format of our files. This makes our files unopenable or even difficult to find. Number 5. What is hardware? Hardware can be divided into two categories mentioned and explained. The answer: computer hardware is a computer system as a device that can be touched, physically seen, and asked to carry out instruction from software atau software. Number 6. What is the function of computer network? And mention types of computer network. Explain it clearly. The answer: the function of computer network is to communicate with each other using computers through certain rules of protocols. Thus, computer users in one particular area are possible to share data to hardware simultaneously. Local area network or LAN. Local area network or LAN is a private mail network within a building or campus that is several kilometers away. LAN is often used to connect personal computer and workstation in the office or building of a company or factories to share resources and exchange information, such as printers. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN is a version of LAN. It's just that they are large and usually as the same technology as the LAN. MAN can include a company office that are location close together or location in the area of one city. What area network or WAN? What are a network or WAN is covers a wide geographical area, such as a country of even a continent. WAN consists of a collection of niches that have a purpose to run programs or applications from user. Internet. With the internet, it can make it easier for people to communicate and find information if it is connected through the internet network. To do something like this also requires a machine select a gateway to connect and carry out the translation. Wireless network. Wireless network make it easier for us when we are in a car or airplane. The use of a wireless network takes advantage of satellite service, which are able to provide faster access speeds compared to networks that as cable. Number 7. Could you mention the definition to create computer network? Answer: kabel UTP. UTP cable is the most frequently used transmission shaped like a telephone cable, usually used to connect a computer with a hub or a computer with a computer. Hub atau switch. This tool serves to bridge several computers connected in one network. Modem serves to convert analog signals into digital signals or vice versa, used to access the internet network. Router server to send data from a network to its destination. Number 8. What is Cryptography. How the cryptography works and give the explain of using cryptography computer technology. Cryptography is a technique of conferring messages in a hidden manner by utilizing data encryption features. The types of cryptography include hash function, symmetric, and public key cryptography. The way cryptography works consists of the two interrelated activities. The two approaches are encryption and decryption. Encryption is changing data or when is called plain text in cryptography into an unreadable random code called ciphertext. Number 9. What is the internet? Mention and explain kind of internet service by your one request. The answer: Internet is a global communication system that connects computers and computer networks around the world. Application and information from the intranet are intended only for the company itself, while the internet is for the general public or worldwide. Jenis layanan internet: email atau electronic mail. Electronic mail, which means this electronic mail server to send letters. Historically, the service is the first internet service in the world. Even I read on Wikipedia, email was created before the internet was created with our email service. It is easy to send letters. Example of email service are Yahoo, Gmail, dan lain-lain. E-commerce is an internet service that is used for economic purpose. An online store is an example of an e-commerce service. With this service, we don't need to go to the store. The service, we don't need store to shop because we can buy goods online and don't need to be tired. For example, Tokopedia, Lazada, dan lain-lain. E-banking. With e-banking, the money transfer process that you do can run quickly. Currently, there are many banks that provide this service, so the customers of these banks no longer need to go to ATM to transfer money. Learning. It is an electronic learning system where students and teachers do not meet face to face, but from a distance. Computers are intermediaries between teacher and students. Number 10. Please explain how email works. The answer: email works using an electronic mailbox. When an email is sent, the message is sent from the sender's server to the recipient's email server. More precisely, messages are sent to a mail server that is in charge of transporting email, called MTA or mail transfer agent, to the recipient of the MTA. On the internet, MTA communicates with its author using the SMTP protocol, commonly called SMTP server atau outgoing mail servers. Thank you, sir.